Hey, what's up you guys? This is Junior Trader, and in this video we are taking a look at SMCI stock, guys. So let's go over my position update and also in the price section what I'm seeing right now. Today we have a red candle. So is that rebound that we were talking about, is that complete? Are we now continuing lower? What is the price action telling us? Let's take a look at all of that. So with that, please also note, none of this is any financial advice and is only for educational purposes. All right, do your own thing, do your own due diligence, you take your own decisions, whatever you want to do. All right, now as you know, in this play I only have 20% short position remaining, and yeah, so I didn't change any of my position. If you want to know more about it, I did a video on this yesterday as well, check that out. But to follow up from there, well, what we talked about is SMCI is not going to be bullish even after this green candle as it was coming yesterday, as long as we are still below $835. That is a change of structure change back to the upside, but we never got that. And I mentioned that yes, these rebounds are fine, but the structure is not changing overall, and there's more likelihood because we will just continue lower, and that was the reason that I was holding my remaining position. I wanted to reload, add more to my short position. If up here we would have gone a little bit much higher, we never did that. I didn't get time to or a opportunity to add more to my short position into the rebound, but that's fine. So yeah, now what are we seeing? Well, we retested today as well again the level of 762, right? We are getting bought back up at the same level, and this is where the previously some buying also happened, right? So this what brings us to now to check what's going on the hourly interval here. So starting off with here, like the hourly interval. So one thing is that once we lost this intraday rebound trend line that we were getting, that was it, guys, right? You can see that once we lost that trend line, intraday rebounds upside was over and we flushed back down. That means downtrend that was a rebound and we are heading lower. Now, what from here? We are seeing that same buying happening, right? But it's still not intraday long. Well, there are ways you can still trade these rebounds, right? Like a little bit of a scalping or whatnot. But what I'm trying to say is that as of at least right now, the structure intraday all in all is in the downtrend. So there's already a pivot, lower high pivot. And also this level that I'm seeing over here, 790 and 53 cents, if we are staying below this, this is still just a now intraday rebound a little bit and then downside. So that intraday upside that we were having from last 2 days is over, and now we are again back in the downtrend as well. So these rebounds, as long as we are not getting above $790, is just continuation to the downside. And yeah. So next level is definitely 762. If that breaks, it opens up the door to 692. All right, that area down there. So that's something to watch. All right. So anyways, it's simple, easy peasy, guys. There is nothing complicated on SMCI right now as for the trading, but all in all, structure is still bearish. Just wanted to provide you that update. And yeah, I'm not seeing any structural change back to the upside. If it happens, I'll talk about it. Right now, no. That was it. All right, I'll see you in my next videos, guys. Take care. Bye. And if you need access to my tools, links are in the description below. Bye.